The Data Product Factory is all about trusting the process, and therefore it is following 3 simple steps to create a data product from the initial idea. In this first and wildest phase, known as the ideation phase, idea owners get 3 months to expand their idea. From customer discovery interviews and crazy 8s to low-fidelity prototypes and competitor job-to-be-done assessments, we combine all input into a POC. We then enter a more structured phase, the validation phase, actually building things, testing and validating them in loops. We make use of our guild of experts and extensive client network to come up with an MVP that is both technically feasible and about to be sold like hot bread. In the third phase, the execution, the focus is laser sharp on finalizing and launching a full-fledged data product. Step by step, the idea moves out of the factory and into Diconium's sales funnel.